Exploring the new caves update. Let's go. So in caves now, it pretty much looks the same right here, but there's now a blue crystal. I think it looks kind of better than the other ones, but I don't know why the other purple one didn't turn blue yet. So one new thing is that Matt the Bat now has a scuba tank. Probably because a bunch of people are going to try and drown him. See? Let's go grab him. See? He kind of has a scuba tank. And here's Mark the Shark. He's really cool. And he has this thing that you could grab on. So you could grab with him. Oh, and yeah, how could I forget? The whole thing is flooded down here. And there's a shark head over here. And I think it's cool how it's flooded. Because like now, you could like swim away from the lava monkeys.